What if I told you that as a UAE based NRI, you could invest in Indian mutual funds and legally pay zero capital gains tax? Sounds too good to be true? But it's not. In fact, there's a powerful provision buried deep in a treaty between India and the UAE that could make your investments completely tax-free. So if you're working hard in Dubai, Abu Dhabi or anywhere in the UAE and want to make your money grow in India without handing over a chunk to the taxman, keep watching because this one tax hack could change how you build wealth forever. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. Let's start with the basics. As a non-resident Indian, you're taxed in India only on the income you earn in India, like rental income from Indian properties, interest from Indian bank accounts, capital gains from shares or mutual funds. So naturally, if you invest in Indian mutual funds, any profits you make are taxable here. But there is a twist. If you're a resident of the UAE, there's a powerful tax treaty that flips the rules. First, here's a quick snapshot of how mutual fund profits are usually taxed in India, presented on the screen in a tabular column. So in case if you invest in equity funds and hold it for less than 12 months, STCG tax applies, which is at a rate of 20%. But if you invest in equity funds and hold it for more than a year, then LTCG tax applies and it will be 12.5% after 1.25 lakh limit. And if you invest in debt or hybrid funds for any duration, the investment type and the tax type is slab based, so it will be taxed as per your income slab rate. So yes, a good portion of your gains would go to taxes unless you know the DTAA trick. So this is the double taxation avoidance agreement. It's a legal agreement between India and the UAE that ensures you don't get taxed on the same income twice. Here's where it gets exciting. Article 13 of the India UAE DTAA clearly says if you're a tax resident of the UAE, then any capital gains you earn in India, like from selling mutual funds, are taxable only in the country of residence. And guess what? The UAE has no personal income tax, which means you invest in Indian mutual funds, you make capital gains, and you pay zero tax completely legally. No loopholes, no gray areas, just the power of smart cross-border financial planning. Now, before you get too excited, let's make sure you're eligible. So here's the checklist. You must be an NRI, not staying in India for more than 182 days in a financial year. You must stay in the UAE for at least 183 days in that financial year, and you should invest via proper NRE or NRO bank accounts. And you must submit these documents every year, like tax residency certificate TRC from UAE tax authorities, Form 10F, and self-declaration of UAE residency. Only then will mutual fund houses apply DTAA rules and avoid deducting TDS on your capital gains. Now that the tax worry is out of the way, let's talk about the benefits. Why are mutual funds such a powerful tool for UAE-based NRIs? Completely legal tax-free growth via DTAA, exposure to India's high-growth equity markets, flexibility to invest in SIPs or lump sums, no lock-in which you can redeem anytime, and diversified and professionally managed funds. And the best part, you don't need to monitor the markets daily, just invest wisely and let compounding do its magic. So ask yourself, where else can I invest with global exposure, professional fund management, and no tax hit? That's the beauty of this setup. Plus, you're investing in Indian rupees. So if the rupee strengthens over time and you gain even more when converting back to dirhams, now how do you make the most of this advantage? Here are a few best practices. First, resubmit your TRC on Form 10F every financial year. Your tax exemption depends on this paperwork. Missing it could mean automatic TDS on your gains. Number 2, stick to equity funds if your goal is long term. These funds benefit the most from compounding and they are fully covered under DTAA for capital gains. Number 3, keep digital records of all documents. TRC, Form 10F and self-declaration. Scan and store them. You might need them during tax filings or audits. Number 4, work with a financial planner who gets cross-border taxation. Not every advisor understands NRI needs. A CFP familiar with DTAA and Indian markets can protect and grow your wealth efficiently. So because losing out on this benefit due to a small paperwork error, that's a mistake you don't want to make. And you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but is it costly to send money from UAE to India regularly? Actually, not at all. Thanks to modern fintech apps and NRI banking tools, it's easier than ever. Platforms like Wise, Western Union, Lulu Exchange, and Your Bank's NRI services, you can transfer money instantly, pay zero or minimal fees, get real-time exchange rates, and fund mutual fund SIPs directly from your NRE or NRO accounts. So you can send a portion of your surplus income every month, invest it, and let it grow without friction. So what is the final takeaway from this video? Here's the truth. If you're an NRI in this UAE and not investing in Indian mutual funds, you might be missing a massive opportunity because you can legally avoid capital gains tax, you get access to India's booming markets, you build wealth in rupees while spending in dirhams, and you stay fully compliant under international tax law. But remember, this isn't just about saving tax, it's about building wealth the smart way, with discipline and with a clear plan, and with guidance that understands the rules both in India and abroad. That's why it's worth speaking with a certified financial planner, someone who can help you avoid costly tax slip-ups, pick the right mutual fund, and plan your goals across currencies and borders. So if you need professional guidance, click the link in the description to book your free consultation with a CFP today. Let's turn your hard-earned UAE income into long-term tax-free Indian wealth legally and smartly. Because when you plan right, you don't just earn, you grow. And if you found this video interesting, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video with much more smart financial tips. So yeah, thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.